Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient title inside Filmora X. So this is a request from one of my subscribers, Steve Riley. He wants to create a title from Jurassic Park which uses the gradient text, and he tried to manage with the angle inside the text inside Filmora X. By the way, I'm going to make this title, so just to show you how to do that. And I know that there's another tutorial from Wondershare about gradient text. By the way, I don't care because their viewers are different from my viewers. Okay. Alright, so in order to create this effect, you need to create a title, right? Inside Filmora X, all you need to do is to go to title here and then find a default title. It is in the included folder, and I'm going to use this one. So let's drag and drop it onto a timeline, or just hit the plus button to bring it to the timeline. And let's make it 5 seconds. Okay, this is 5 seconds. And the next thing, I want to change the title. Okay, so I'm going to do it in advanced text editor inside Filmora X, because in Filmora X we have two things. One is the basic text. All you need to do is just double click on the text and you see the basic one. And if you want to have more control of the text, you need to go to the advanced editor. Okay, so you can right click here and then select advanced edit, and there you go. So this is the advanced text editor. So first thing, we can change the text to what we say, Jurassic Park. Okay, this one I think is nice, and I'm going to change the fonts to something similar to that one. So use ITC is okay. I think I'm going to use this one, and also I'm going to increase the size to 150. Okay, now the text look nice to me. Maybe you need to do it yourself because it's your personal interest. Okay, so I'm going to customize and change it to gradient text. Select the customize on the left side and then scroll down this bar, and you see here we have a text field here, and this is a type. We can change it to gradient. So click on this button, change the text type to gradient field. Okay, now we have two colors. This one is the big starting color, and this one is the ending color. Okay, for the Jurassic Park title, we are going to use two color. The first one is red, and the second one white. Okay, let's click on this button and then select more and select this one, red. Okay, and we will keep this white color. So you can see on the preview window here, so the starting color is on the left and the ending color is on the right. So now we need to change the angle of the gradient here. Okay, to do that, first thing first, we need to select the effect first. Here we have some effect to choose. Let me select some effect and you see the difference. Okay, for this one and this one, you see here there's different effect for your text title here, right? This one, so you can select any effect if you want. Okay, so I'm going to select this one as looks similar to what he is looking for. Okay, and the next thing, we need to change the angle. So here's the angle. This is 0. 0 means you have the starting color from the left and ending color on the right. And if you slide this angle, okay, you see how the text change at the preview window, right? And for this effect, I'm going to go with go to here at this part. So we have the red on top and the white at the bottom. Okay, and that's done for me. By the way, you can modify the text here. You can add a border to your text or stuff like that, anything. Okay, so now I'm going to select an animation for my text, and I'm finished here. Okay, so go to animation, and the one that I'm going to use in this example is zoom in, slowly zoom in, so it's easy. Okay, just double click at the zoom in animation here, and then I'm going to click OK. If you want to use this title later, you can click Save as Custom here, and this is Jurassic Park title. Okay, and click OK. The next time when you want to create this title, you can use this template. Okay, and I'm going to click OK to go back to the timeline. And this is the title, gradient title, similar to Jurassic Park. Woo. By the way, I think it looks a little bit boring, so you can add more effect and elements or stuff like that to this title to make it more interesting. So the first effect I want to add to this title is an old film or stuff like that, because Jurassic Park is an old movie, right? Now I'm going to effect and go to the overlay. So I'm going to see here we have at the included folder. We're going to the overlay and we can find damaged film or old film or stuff like that. Damaged film I think is better. So let's see how about this one. We can drag and drop it right here and play. So it's there's something flying on the screen now, right? And another thing I want to add here, go to effect and then find the filters, filter here, filters. So I'm going to go back to included and I'm going to search for the effect that I want. The first one is the pixel, yeah, the pixelate edge. So this one I want to put it here, so there's something enlightening my title. Okay, let's play it. Okay, that's good. And the next effect I want to add is the glow effect. Okay, so this one also look nice. And voila, final thing, I want to add some elements. So go to elements here and we can go to the included folder and find something here. I see one very interesting element at this folder. Let's find it. Okay, so this is the pinky energy or yellow energy. It's up to you, but I'm going to use this one, yellow energy. Just drag and drop it on top track here, and remember we need to put it when the text finish zoom in. Okay, at this part. Okay, so at this position I want to start adding an elements, and that's done. Okay, and that is how easy you can create a gradient text title inside Filmora 10 and to create Jurassic Park title, stuff like that. Okay, and let's play the title now so you see it better. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm very happy to help you to create better video. If you're new here, consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.